Did you know your iPhone 17 Pro can take stunning 48 megapixel photos, but most people never enable it? If your pictures don't look as sharp as you expected, this quick setting can make a huge difference. Let me show you how. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the 48 megapixel camera on your iPhone 17 Pro or iPhone 17 Pro Max in less than a minute. First, open your iPhone settings app. Then scroll down and tap Camera. Here, tap on Formats. Here, turn on ProRAW and Resolution Control. Next, tap ProRAW Format. Then choose either HEIF 48 megapixel for high-quality photos with smaller file sizes, or ProRAW 48 megapixel if you want maximum quality for professional editing. Then go back and tap Preserve Settings. Here, turn on ProRAW and Resolution Control. Now open the Camera app. At the top of the screen, tap the HEIF or RAW button and select HEIF Max or RAW Max. Make sure you're using the 1x main camera, then take your photo. For the best results, shoot in good lighting because 48 megapixel works best during the day. And that's it. Your iPhone is now ready to capture incredibly detailed 48 megapixel photos. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.